welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hopefully you've subscribed by now. If not, hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be teaching you how to harvest lettuce seeds. And this is very exciting because we've started the seed library and it's up in front of our house, and we'll be harvesting these so that we can put them in the seed library. Okay, Mom, you ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Okay. Hey there. There's Lavender.
Hi.
You guys remember her? Everybody
I'm
really
taller than her now.
Yeah, right now. We needed this.
I'm happy to
Okay, so lettuce, right? This is lettuce that I planted, I think, back in April. It's the variety called Little Gem. It is looking really tall right now, although you can still find that we have some really yummy leaves right here that we can still eat. Tasting different a little than it was earlier, but this lettuce plant has bolted or gone to flower, as you can see. I've got two more right beside them. I don't know if you can see this one. That's broccoli. Two more right beside them. But you can see these white, puffy flowers, or they kind of look like what? Dandelions, right?
Yeah, they kind of look like dandelions.
So these are perfectly ready to harvest for seed. Lettuce is in the sunflower family.
Asteraceae.
And it is, this genus and species name is
Lectuca sativa.
So this is the variety called Lil Gem. I think I said that.
Mm-hmm.
And all we need to do is just take a plastic container, glass container, envelope, whatever you've got. And we're going to pick these seeds. It's kind of windy today, so it's the perfect time to do it. And put them in our containers.
So basically what we're having to do to pick them is we're grabbing the spot right at the base of the flower and we're pulling it. Now my mom, she's holding her fingers over it since it's kind of a windy day so that the seeds don't blow away. But there you have it. One lettuce seed.
Well, it's a bunch of seeds in a flower head. The seeds are grayish, brown, dark gray, brown to white. And they're really cute. So the ones that have opened up like this, we're going to stick in our bag, in our container. Oh yeah, show them one up close. That's a good idea. And we're kind of helping Mother Nature along.
This is one lettuce seed right there.
They're really tiny. They're like smaller than a grain of rice. So.
Yeah.
And this feels a little sticky on the top of the head, doesn't it?
It does. It does.
Okay, so we're going to continue to do this. And then when we collected a bunch, we'll show them to you up close and what you would do after that. Basically, once you just want to make sure the seeds dry out completely. So we'll take them inside, lay them down on the table somewhere in their containers with some air flowing, and let them dry out completely. It's okay if this little fluff is included in the storage or package that you got them in. It won't hurt them to be planted along with that fluff that's on there. And we'll label those packages, label the cartons, so we remember what they are when we're ready to plant them. And then that's it. It's really very simple.
Okay, well, we will see you guys.
Hope you enjoyed this video, and like Lavender said, please like, subscribe, and share this video
Yes.
so others can learn more. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.